Sending and replying messages from Facebook app is gone. Totally gone. Now, this happened about 2 days ago, and I've still been studying why and what happened, but the truth is it's gone. Facebook has removed it. So before now, you can use your recent messages. You can tap on the message app to see the recent messages. But now Facebook have removed the option to see your recent messages, and all you can do is to install the Facebook Messenger app, which for me I consider is an unnecessary extra bloatware. So what is the solution? What are the alternatives? What will you do? In this video, I'm going to show you the things you could do to still be able to read your Facebook messages on time, or just move on if you are the type. But of course, there are many options we have here, and I'll show you what to do. If you're ready, okay, welcome back again to Smart Depot. Personally, I stopped using the Facebook Messenger app since 2015 because I felt it's an unnecessary bloatware. It will always run on the background, collect data and all that. But I've still been using Facebook messages from the app. You know, when you have a message you see on the top right, you click, you see option to read your recent messages or install the Facebook Messenger. Now that option to read recent messages is gone. All you have to do is to only install the Facebook Messenger now if you want to read your messages inside the Facebook app. That, my friends at Facebook, is very crazy. Well, what option do you have? So I'm going to give you like 3 options you have if you really don't want to install the Facebook Messenger as a different app. The first one is to use Facebook in the browser. You can actually ditch the whole Facebook app and use Facebook in the browser. You can run everything you do on Facebook on the browser and also read your messages. There are a few things you will miss here, like you will miss Reels, you won't be able to do Reels or read Reels here. But of course, you can always do every other thing, check your messages, read messages, download attachments from messages and reply. And if you put on the notification, you can, get prompts. The number 2 option is Facebook Lite. Now, I've never in a long time see how a Lite app becomes more useful than the main app. You get to read your Reels, you get to see your stories, and not just on the top. If you scroll down, you also see Reels in between the timeline. So you get all that stuff from Facebook Lite. So not just that, you can also click and get dark theme. So the Facebook Lite also have option to give you dark theme, which is wonderful. So you get dark theme, you get Reels, you get ability to read your messages all from the Facebook Lite. I mean, how on earth did Facebook Lite become more useful than the main Facebook app? Of course, Facebook have to answer that. So you can ditch the main Facebook app if you still want to be reading your message or you use messages a lot, and you'll still be enjoying. The third option, which I probably won't allow anybody to do, is to install Facebook Messenger Lite. Of course, if you install Facebook Messenger Lite, your main Facebook app will acknowledge it, but this guy is just limited. It doesn't have dark theme and all that. So you just fling from an app that have dark theme to the one that doesn't have dark theme, all in the name of reading your messages. But as you can see, my recommendation here is Facebook Lite. If you want to get all the stuff that you enjoy in Facebook and have your messages, go to Facebook Lite. Or if you don't like any of those things, you can as well ditch Facebook as a whole. I mean, move on. Until I see you in the next one. Let me hear from you in the comment section. Until I see you in the next one, subscribe and peace. Subscribe. I'll see you.